Welcome everyone, we back with another video. And I know, bro, it's been like 3 weeks now, man. Well, no, just 2 weeks. Bro, I'm telling you, I used to have set off days, now I just be off any day, bro. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Today what we're gonna talk about is some cons to driving with Amazon. Look, man, we're in the crib today. As y'all can see, it's daggone raining outside, bro. What y'all want me to do? And I'm off today. So yeah, let's get to it. So I'm gonna probably try to turn this into like kind of a series. I'm gonna do cons this week, next week I'm gonna do pros, maybe double upload next week. We're gonna continue, because I know I'm gonna think of more and more things I like and don't like, and it is what it is, bro. With every job you're gonna have some cons. So with number one, let's go ahead and start off with the weather. Look, man, it don't matter if it's raining, it's snowing, it's cold, it's hot, 98 degrees, 1,000 degrees. You're gonna be outside delivering them packages, bro. That's one thing you need to think about. You're gonna get that physical activity in, bro. You're gonna be working out. And some companies want you to be on that dress code. So they're gonna want you to wear that weak collar shirt and them pants that you wear a belt with. Everybody trying to do that, bro. Summertime, be mindful of that, man. With number two, we're gonna go ahead and start off with rescue routes, bro. Say, you did 100 stops today, 190 stops. It don't matter how many stops you do. You get on the phone with dispatch. Hey, I just finished my route. Yeah, we're gonna need you to pick up about 2 bags from somebody. After you done with your route, bro, especially if you're going fast, you don't want to do nobody else work. Now I understand. Maybe they even need to rescue you sometimes. You having a hard day, something like that. But bro, you don't get paid enough to do somebody else work. You know what I'm saying? Like one of the companies I was with, for every stop or every package, I can't remember, you got $1 per package you picked up or stopped. That's not worth it, bro. Doing somebody else work. Not to mention, you got to drive from where you at to over there. It could be 20 minutes, 30 minutes. It might be 5 minutes. You got to drive over there, scan them packages in, and then from wherever they at, you got to drive all the way over there and start. That could be like a whole another hour before you even start, rescuing people. And some companies don't pay you. They don't pay you no extra to do them rescue routes. Yeah, man, that's trash, bro. Another thing is, this is kind of a pro, but it's also a con, incentive pay, bro. So basically what that is, if you driving safe, you delivering all your packages where you need to, you took clear photos, all your rates are high, you'll get paid for full 40 hours. But if you don't, and if you fast or something like that, say you fast and you only working like 5 hours a day. If you work 4 days, that's like 20 hours, and you only getting paid for them 20 hours, bro. So you gotta keep your rates up. You gotta drive safe, you know what I'm saying? Good FICO score and all that. You gotta take clear pictures. Make sure you follow them customer notes and all that. And that is so trash, bro. Especially when you fast like me. Sometimes you fast, you take bad pictures sometimes, or blurry pictures, or you can't have your shadow in the picture, and it's like no way you can combat that sometimes. So with the next one, bro, I just got bit by a dog like last week too, bro. I thought it would never happen to me, but dogs, bro, I don't know what it is. People literally know when their package is coming. You can track it all the way to when it comes to your house, exact time, everything. You can see where it's at on the map, but it still had that dog outside. I had a dude tell me the other day, your dog outside, I put that thing in reverse. I'm backing up. He talking about something. I'm sorry about the dumb dog. Don't call the dog dumb. You had him outside. You knew your package was coming today, and they always gonna tell you this. Oh, my dog don't bite. He's friendly. Of course the dog ain't gonna bite you. He's friendly to you. You feed him. Like, bro, what are you talking about, bro? You're gonna have to worry about dogs. Big dogs, small dogs. Always be aware, man. They could be hiding, sleeping, come from the backyard. It don't matter if they got that little electric collar right there, because you in the yard. They can come and get you. Dogs is fast now, bro. Jesus. So what we did so far, we did rescue routes, dogs, incentive pay, weather. The last thing, I'm probably gonna stop this. Yeah, this is the last thing. We're gonna do 5 per episode, I guess. The last thing is, bro, the vans. I don't know what company you with, man, but the one I'm with now, bro, they only have bad vans, man. And once you start working for Amazon, you'll know the difference between good and bad vans, bro. Ford freaking Transits. Them vans are the worst, bro. Where I work at, we don't have no electric, bro. Some companies have Sprinters, we don't have no Sprinters, bro. Only Ford Transits and U-Hauls, bro. Ford Transits, I mean, bro, it be spiders in there. It's slow. You gotta do the parking brake like manually. Don't nobody wanna do all that, bro. The AC don't blow quick enough. I don't care what they tell you, bro. They'll tell you all day. It doesn't matter if the AC works in the van because you're gonna keep getting out the car. Yeah, it does matter, bro. I'm telling you, that minute or so when you had that AC blowing cold, you can just relax, drive to your next stop. That's worth it, bro. 100% of the time. So don't let them ever tell you that. Bad vans, bro, it's terrible, bro. It's not even that the vans are bad or how they drive and they slow. It's also the inside of the van. Like when you putting your packages in the back, some vans like Ford Transits are smaller than Sprinters, so you won't have that space to organize all your things and stuff like that. And with that being said, let's go ahead and add one more for the list, bro. Let's go ahead and do, I don't know, I could say two things right here, but since we said overflow, I think I said it right now. But since we talking about overflow, bro, overflow, that's your cons, man. So let's say, for example, let me show y'all one of these boxes real quick. I'm a businessman. I got 1,000 cardboard boxes right here, bro. You got your regular packages this size right here. So your overflow is gonna be like, I don't know what I can give you for example, but you have your regular size boxes like that, and then your overflow is gonna be them huge boxes, bro. And I'm telling you, people order dog food every day. You're gonna have huge boxes. It's gonna take up too much space. You're not gonna have space to organize your stuff, especially if you're in a bad van. And overflow packages, bro, it's almost always with a group stop, bro. It's never just no stop for overflow, man. You always bring in a big box like this with 5 other packages to 3 different locations, man. It's always like that, bro. Overflow is big. It take up too much space. If you don't have enough time to organize it, you're gonna be running around looking for it all day, and that's really gonna slow you down, man. Even if you got daggone apartments, bro, overflow is really gonna kill you. But yeah, man, with that being I'm tripping. With that being said, man, that was 5 cons to delivering with Amazon, plus 1 extra. We're gonna turn this into episodes. I'm gonna keep doing these, because, bro, it's a lot I got to say. We're gonna keep doing this, but if you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you're new, bro, this is really a car channel, but we do Amazon stuff sometimes. Somebody actually requested this in the comments. Keep commenting, y'all. Like and subscribe. It's your boy Zay, and we out, man. I'm gone.